Hey community! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how I made my chatbot show options like DNN, Oqtane, and BC right after the greeting message using Copilot Studio. It's really easy, and I'll explain everything. Let's jump in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. First, let's add the info our chatbot will use. In Copilot Studio, there's a section called Knowledge. I added 3 things here: DNN, which is a URL with info about DNN, Oqtane, another URL with Oqtane info, and BC, a URL with BC info. These are like little books the chatbot reads from. Just paste the public URLs, save them, and Copilot Studio will keep them ready for us. Now let's make a new topic. In Copilot Studio, go to Topics and click New Topic. I named mine Knowledge Selector. When you make a topic, you can add a description to say what it does. I wrote, "This topic shows the user 3 options, DNN, Oqtane, and BC, and lets them pick one to see more info." It's like a little note to remind me what this topic is for. Then I saved it. Done. My chatbot starts with a greeting. "Hi, I'm SiteSpeak Chatbot. How can I assist you today?" I want the options to show up right after this, so I connected the greeting to my Knowledge Selector topic. Here's how. I opened the greeting topic, added a new action after the message, and picked Go to another topic. Then I chose Knowledge Selector from the list. Now, after saying, "Hi," the chatbot jumps straight to showing the options. Easy. Let's set up the Knowledge Selector topic to show the options. I opened the topic and added a question action. I wrote, "Please choose a knowledge source, DNN, Oqtane, or BC." Then I made it a multiple choice question and added my options, DNN, Oqtane, and BC. I set them to show as buttons so the user can just click, not type. Copilot Studio makes this really easy. Just pick buttons for the display. Save it, and we're good. When the user picks an option, like DNN, we need to save their choice. In the same question action, there's a spot called Identify. I set it to save the choice as a variable called DNN_response.choice. This variable is like a little note that remembers what the user picked, whether it's DNN, Oqtane, or BC. That way, the chatbot knows what to do next. Let's keep going. Now, we need to tell the chatbot what to do based on the user's choice. I added a condition action after the question. I set it to check if DNN_response.choice is equal to DNN. Then I added 2 more conditions, one for Oqtane and one for BC. So I have 3 paths, one for DNN, one for Oqtane, and one for BC. If the user picks DNN, the chatbot follows the DNN path. Same for the others. It's like a little roadmap for the chatbot. Now, let's make the chatbot show all the info from the knowledge source the user picked. I'll show you the DNN path as an example. In the DNN path, I added a Create Generative Answers action. In the Input field, I wrote, "Show all details about DNN." This tells the chatbot to grab all the info from the DNN knowledge source. In the Data Sources field, I picked only the DNN URL I added earlier. I did the same for Oqtane and BC. Show all details about Oqtane for the Oqtane path, and Show all details about BC for the BC path. This makes the chatbot show the full info from the right source when the user picks an option. Time to test. I saved everything and went to the Test Your Agent section. The chatbot said, "Hi, I'm SiteSpeak Chatbot. How can I assist you today?" Then, it showed the question with 3 buttons, DNN, Oqtane, and BC. I clicked DNN, and it showed all the info from the DNN knowledge source. I tested Oqtane and BC too, and they worked perfectly. If something doesn't work, I just check the URLs or the Generative Answers action to make sure everything's set up right. And that's it. Now my chatbot shows options right after the greeting, and when I click one, it shows all the info I need. It's so easy with Copilot Studio. If you try this, let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next video. See you soon. Bye.